Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to install iPhone like keyboard in Motorola G17. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store click on search bar, search Apple keyboard. Now here you will see Apple keyboard. Now click on Apple keyboard, click on install and wait few seconds. After complete installation, click on open. Now click on enable in settings. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, now go back. After that, click on switch input methods. Now here you will see two methods. Now click on green Apple keyboard. Now click on no thanks. Click on finished. Now here you will see install iPhone like keyboard from your phone. This is how you can install iPhone like keyboard in Motorola G17. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.